Welcome, friends, come take a seat. Grab your words and feel the beat. Sing and laugh, it's all okay. Learning English starts today.
Hello, everyone. Pete here from English with a Pete. Today's lesson, we're having a look at everyday English, naming the rooms in your house. Easy, useful, and fun. Stick with me and let's give it a go together. Are you ready? Oh, we go. Repeat after me. Attic, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, or lounge, hall, dining room, garage, garden, basement, or cellar. Time to practice what you learned today. Here's a little challenge. Are you ready, guys? Here we go. What room is it? It's a kitchen. Well done. What room is it? It's a living room or lounge. Fantastic. What room is it? It's a bathroom. Well done. What room is it? It's an attic. Amazing. What place is it? It's a garden. That's amazing. What room is it? It's a bedroom. You've got it. What part of the house is it? It's a garage. Excellent job. What room is it? It's a hall. Amazing. What room is it? It's a basement or cellar. Fantastic. What room is it? It's a dining room. You've got it. You've done really well. Keep practicing this vocabulary every day. Thanks ever so much for joining me today. Remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time. Cheers, guys.